let's install it on a Linux machine. Okay, ROS Foxy installation. Simple. On Google and first link, ROS2 documentation. One thing important here is when you're dealing with open source packages, you have to take a look on its documentation. Previously in ROS1, the documentation was not that good, but now for the ROS2, documentation is simply awesome. And the installation process is very simple. I have to just copy and paste all of the commands provided here. Okay. How fast I'm doing it is because I'm shifting between programs with Alt tab like this, and I am selecting the line, the command with the mouse and pressing Control C to copy it, then shifting back to the terminal and Control Shift V. In terminal, if you want to copy or paste something, it's not about Control C and Control V. It's Control Shift C for copy, Control Shift V for paste. Okay, a little bit different. I am just copy pasting things. Now let's update it. First, we have provided to put simply some links to our system where to get ROS Foxy from. Okay, and now this is the main part in which we have copied and pasted the command apt install ROS Foxy desktop and press enter. This is the point where it will install ROS Foxy, Gazebo, RWiz, and all of the required awesome packages that comes with ROS. ROS Foxy desktop is sort of a complete installation of ROS, and there is another option. We have ROS Foxy ROS base, meaning only they have mentioned it, communication libraries, massive packet command line tools, no GUI tools, but obviously we are starting right from the basics, so we need GUI tools, and we'll go with the ROS Foxy. Linking of the paths, we have to tell the system about how our system is going to find the executables to run. Okay, environment setup, and I use the word of linking paths. So the purpose of both of these things is same, although we have to create a working space or environment, then we will link it. Okay, let's see where it's. Now, once it is completed, meaning ROS is installed in your system, that's how easy it is because of the great developers. Let's exit this terminal and open a new terminal to test it. ROS2. It says command not found. Okay, ROS2 run, command not found. What is the reason? Reason is the system don't know where ROS is placed in your hard drive. Okay, this is a very serious thing you have to keep in mind every time you run it. So this is the solution for this problem: sourcing the setup script. Set up your environment by sourcing the following file. I am going to copy and paste the command source this thing, and now I'm going to try the command again, ROS2. Now, sort of a warning, but that is different. This time, after sourcing it with this line of code, the system now knows that there is a ROS2 command. There is a ROS2 command. It is not saying that there is no command. There is a command, but it says, tell me something more about the command. Okay.